So here we are. Here's how to get painted windows. These are painted shut, so they are unable to open. First thing I did, they put some screws here, so I gotta undo those screws here to stop it. These are the old rope windows. They're held by a rope and a window inside, and a weight inside that keeps the window up and down. Tools you're gonna need a hammer, chisel, and this is a wood for wood, and then one of these. And then you just basically start from the side here. Start this through the sides first. Wear safety glasses. Do the top, and do there, then do the outside, and you should be able to get it open. If you want to use just light taps in there, and then tap there with the hammer. Just light taps going down, and you'll see it free up.